Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have
Megan!
and okay, so one of my favorite YouTubers, Allie Glines, she did a video called the Gamble Challenge and she made up the challenge, so that's what we're gonna do today.
We're gonna try to do it.
So basically we have all of our, I'll put a picture like right here of mine and over there of hers. We have all of our products laid out in the order that we put them on our face, and we have a number for each product. So we're gonna go in the order that we would normally put on our makeup. We're going to roll a dice, and whatever number we get that correlates with that product is the product we're going to put on. So for example, for the first one, it would be primer. I'm going to roll. If I get a 7, my 7 is my Anastasia Glow Kit because my highlighter is the 7th step in my makeup routine. So I'll use my highlighter as a primer.
Or if you roll an 11 as primer, that's mascara. So you gotta make it work somehow.
Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So keep watching, subscribe to my channel, and like this video.
And let's do it.
Okay, so I'm going to roll first, and then Megan's going to roll. And then once we both have our numbers, we're going to look at our products to see what they are. Okay? 7.
That's probably not good. And I got 5.
Okay, so 7 is what I just said, my highlighter.
Oh no. And then 5 for me is bronzer.
So we are priming. So I'm going to use this fluffy Morphe brush so I can really get a great bronze going on.
Yeah, this is a little...
I'm going to use the one that's closest to my skin tone.
This is not anywhere near my skin tone, so...
It's fine, it's fine.
Okay, cool, let's...
Alright. We're going to be glowy today.
Oh, I'm going to be dark today.
I feel like this doesn't, like, putting highlighter on before it doesn't really... Oh, well, I mean...
You're gonna look good. You're gonna look super bright.
Except I'm gonna have to put foundation over top of this powder.
Yeah, if you get foundation.
True.
Well,
and I'm gonna link Allie Glines' video in the description box because hers was really funny and you should all go watch it.
Yeah, it was very funny. I was like dying.
Okay, well I am glowing.
I feel like look the same. Which I'm fine with because I don't really want to have bronzer underneath.
I think you're cheating. I think you're not really putting that much on.
Oh, I'm definitely putting it on.
Okay.
All right.
We are primed and ready.
Looking good.
Hopefully foundation. So this time we want to roll. You know what I just thought of?
What?
We can't even roll a 1.
Well, then what did Allie do?
I don't remember. Okay, but now we can roll 2, so it's fine.
Yeah.
It's too late now.
Okay.
8. No, 9. Okay.
Yep, okay, let's see mine. 7.
Okay, so for the foundation today, I'm using my Morphe eyeshadow palette.
And I am using the same palette that I just used, except I'm using the highlighter portion.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do this without destroying this palette. Okay, so this is what I'm using. None of these are even my shade.
And this is what I'm using right here.
I'm afraid. I don't want to go in with this one.
I think I'm literally just going to put it on my finger. And like, okay, we're going to...
I'm going to use this Y6
Oh
brush.
Man, can you guys see that?
I'm going to use so much of this eyeshadow.
This is not good.
Okay. Oh wow. Really got some great coverage going on there. You're so smart.
I try. And you know, this is the first time that I've even used this palette.
Yeah, so bye to this shade in this palette.
Yeah.
This is like the only transition color in this palette.
Yeah, we're trying to blend.
At least these Morphe shadows are pretty blendable.
This is really stressing me out because I was a little glowy today, I feel like, already.
Oh gosh. I'm gonna have to wash this brush too.
Looks good.
I'm just looking extra tan. Like I got a bad spray tan.
It doesn't look too bad on camera though.
I know.
So it's probably fine.
It's fine.
All right, let's do. I don't even know.
Well, that's as good as it's gonna get.
Look at that. Oh no. Ugh.
We're not very
I just
well
feel like
blended.
I feel like I'm.
The one thing I needed was foundation for this acne.
So we're gonna roll again. This time we want to get concealer, which is number 3.
11.
Good.
I don't even want to know what that is.
And I also got a 9.
Okay. Oh no. Oh no.
Okay.
It's mascara.
So
it's funny though, because in Allie's videos, she actually got an 11 for concealer too.
Yeah, so you're copying her. Okay, so my number 9 is eyeshadow.
Here we go. I'm using the Essence Lash Princess.
Oh my goodness. I don't even know how to go about this.
Oh gosh.
Alright, I'm gonna use...
Oh, it hurts. This is
I'm
painful.
gonna use this shade, because it kind
Ow.
of looks like my shade a little bit, if you guys can see that.
I feel like I'm like shaving dry legs.
How does it feel?
It feels wonderful. I feel like I'm really...
I feel like there's literally nothing that I can do.
I mean, I'm
with this
definitely
eyeshadow.
concealing things, for sure. Okay, so then I'm gonna highlight the middle of the face.
You know, it was a really good idea for this challenge, but
Alright,
I just feel like it's going rather poorly.
I'm gonna blend it out, okay? Goodbye to the sponge.
Oh my goodness. Let's highlight my nose.
Okay. We are definitely not blending today. Nope. Oh, wow. Amazing.
You look so good. I wish I looked like you.
What's funny is that Megan before this video said she wasn't going to take it off unless it looked bad, as if she actually thought it was going to go good.
I was like, yeah, I have no reason to take this makeup off. Oh, but probably it's not going to look good.
Wow.
All right.
Alright, this time we are rolling for a 4.
Which is?
Powder.
Yes.
This is what we are going to set our face with, okay? 10.
Oh, wonderful.
Lovely. Wonderful.
Wonderful. And I got a 9. Again.
How am I supposed to set my face with this? I got an eyeliner.
Let me grab that same palette that I just had. So, ladies and gents.
I'm just going in with it. At least this is creamier. I'm not like scratching my eyeballs.
I'm going to take this big fluffy brush on the exact same palette that I just had. And you know what? I'm going to run them all together. We're gonna try it. We're just going to run them all together.
I'm gonna bake this eyeliner under here.
That looks
Your face actually looks like normal though. You just look glowy.
good.
Like you
Good.
could totally get away with it.
Maybe I should do this on a daily basis.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe we've been doing it wrong all along.
Oh.
What's next?
Um,
Contour. Right?
So, yeah, so we want to roll a 5 this time. And let's see what happens.
Oh, I gotta... Okay.
So that is another 9. All right, I'm going to roll now. And I got a 5. How perfect.
What is it? It's not even fair. Okay, well, at least I got eyeshadow. I got a powder product. Okay. I'm just gonna mix these two.
We just want to get
Wow. That, wow. That's really good.
a nice...
Definitely picked the right shade for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
Wow. I feel like everything is going right for Megan's. Everything's going wrong for mine.
We want to roll a 6 next.
Our blush.
Yes.
Honestly, I don't even care at this point. 8.
Okay, what's 8?
Eyebrow pencil.
Wonderful. All right,
good.
let's see. I rolled a 6.
I'm done.
I'm not even
Truly.
cheating. I'm literally just rolling. I feel like it could still go so wrong.
I feel like at this point you're in the clear. Alright, I'm using this Flower Beauty to give us a little
Ooh,
cheek
lots.
action here.
That was a lot of blush. Oops.
Do I even try to blend this out at this point?
Okay.
Just enjoy your blush over there.
I'm enjoying my blush. All right, so next we want to roll a 7, which is highlighter.
I really want to use my Anastasia Glow Kit for this. 9.
9. Which I feel like we have used our 9 so many times.
7.
So I rolled a 7, which is exactly what we wanted, and I don't know how this is happening.
How is you? Okay.
But I'm not going to complain. You know? I'm not going to complain because we're going to
It's
roll
fine.
with it.
I can make this work for highlighter.
And then this time I'm using my Morphe brush.
I'm just covering up all of my problems with this.
So nice. All right, I have so much glow going on. Maybe I should do this more often.
Next, we want to roll a 10,
8.
a 9, an 8.
We want to roll an 8, which
What
is
is 8?
eyebrows.
I just wanted to move on to the end of the video. 5.
5.
Okay, I can make it work. It's my contour.
Perfect.
My shade and light palette.
All right, and I just rolled.
Is this a joke? Is this an actual joke?
So I just rolled an 8.
So you can exit now.
All right, let's eyebrow it up. Look.
I think this is gonna be fine.
Yeah, it'll be fine. You can pick a dark enough, or you can pick the
Darkest.
yeah, the darkest one.
Okay, this is not my color, but it's better than other things that have happened today.
You know, that's positivity right there.
Yep.
Sarah, you're an inspiration.
Just making the best out of every situation. That's a brow right there. Kind of like it.
Is it like blending?
I mean, it's not my
okay.
It's not my shade, but I'm happy with it. Number 9.
So yeah, we want to roll a 9.
Number 9 is my lucky number.
We've been rolling it the whole day.
Feeling real confident about it. Okay. Okay. 7. All right.
What is 7?
It's highlighter.
Oh, wonderful.
It's fine. As long as it's a powder, I can make it work.
All right, and I rolled an 8. So,
which is eyebrows.
Oh, so
that's fine.
Good. All right.
Okay.
All right, I feel like I'm feeling really confident about this eye look that I'm about to do.
I just need you to hurry up because mine's almost done.
Wait, what was I supposed to grab? Oh, I was supposed to grab eyebrows.
Not eyeshadow. Good try, though.
Your eyes are going to be glowy. It's going to look good.
I mean, I'm done now. There's not much I can do. I only have 4 colors. We need a 10 for eyeliner.
Okay. Well, this one, there
Pretty
are...
much anything I
yeah,
could use.
let's say there are possibilities.
7.
Which is... Oh, no.
My glow kit again.
Awesome. All right, and I rolled a 9. Is that what we wanted?
Eyeshadow.
Oh, okay. Oh, eyeshadow again. But I can totally use that palette.
Well, I did a wing, but you can't see it, so. We need an 11 for mascara. Okay?
Oh, no.
I'm feeling like this is the one.
I feel like you're going to get super lucky this time.
10.
Close.
Eyeliner. Wonderful.
All right, and I got, oh no. I got a 5.
What is 5?
Which is,
Contour.
Yeah.
So I'm going to put this, it's the Smashbox Always On Gel Liner. I'm just going to rub it on my hand. Really good. Use up most of the product.
Awesome.
Then I'm going to wipe this spoolie brush in it.
Oh,
I'm going to go for it.
Okay. Let's see.
Okay, so that was way more work than it was ever worth, because I literally did nothing.
Yeah, I had no success.
I need to wash this, for sure.
All right.
This is going really well.
Yep, and we
This
have...
is the last one.
Yep, we have one thing left.
All right, we need 12 for lips. Okay. Whatever we roll is going on these
And I
lips.
have no clue how to do lips, like without like a lipstick or something, so... All right, 12.
7.
Good. All right.
Oh,
Let's see if I can roll a 12. That would be super nice.
10.
10.
Which is eyeliner. Right?
Oh my goodness, yes. Do lips. Oh my
Finally!
goodness. I don't even know how to do this. This is probably toxic.
Truly, it looks like a nice metallic lip, to be honest.
Okay, guys. Pray for me.
You're not done yet?
All right. So I feel like this doesn't look too awful, and it could look a lot worse.
I'm gonna be honest, I've never looked better. I mean, I think this is one of the best looks I've ever done on my YouTube channel.
So I think because of that, you should give us all the thumbs up, all the comments, definitely subscribe because...
Tell them.
Yeah, definitely subscribe because...
He's just my hype man.
Because we look good, and we worked really hard for these looks. And,
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, that's all for the video. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up for us doing this to our face. Comment below what other challenges we should do. And thanks for watching. Bye. All right, well, I think this went really well.
I feel like it doesn't
Truly.
look too
We need a
awful.
thumbnail. Do something.